Today we are going to draw a nice scenery starting from a small circle. This is the circle. Now we are going to draw the mountain cliffs here. This is the top of the mountain. Now we see the cliffs hanging. This is the edge. We are going to draw a tree. This tree we are going to see in a moonlit night. All right. This is the tree we see from the drawing. So this is it. Now let's draw the sky little darker because it's night. So the dark sky here, the sky is dark. This side it's dark too. Let's draw a little blue here. This part is blue. So dark and blue is mixed up here. In the middle it's a little mixing point. This part is totally dark. This part totally dark. Grounds looks like this. All right, this is the part of our sketch. All right, we're going to see the tree here. Let's dark in the bottom and in the side. Let's do the same thing for all the clouds. Let's put shade to the side and in the bottom. So this is the borderline. All right, let's draw little black here and here too. We can put some greens for the trees here. All right, So this is the bottom, this is the bottom. All right, I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.